Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani here, an intuitive life designer. So today I'm going to tell you one thing on how many of you have failures in your life and give up and say no, this is so difficult or I cannot do this, it's not possible. These are all belief systems you have. Let me give you an example. A professor, when he was at a university, he said this to students. He opened a note. Okay, I'm opening a 50 rupee note, and he crushed it. Okay, and he threw it on the floor. And he asked the students, how many of you will pick it up? The students said, yes, we'll pick it up. Then he said, he folded the note. Okay, he folded the note, and then again he threw it on the floor. And the students said, they'll still pick it up. Then he really crushed it, squashed it, squeezed it. It became like crumpled paper, and he threw it on the floor. The students still picked it up. Why? Any guesses? The students still picked it up because the note had value. No matter what the professor did, the students picked it up. So what I'm trying to tell you, life is going to squeeze you, is going to crush you. There are going to be setbacks. Things are not going to be easy. If you want to achieve greater, you will have to push yourself. You will have to come out of your comfort level. You will have to change your belief systems and thoughts. You will have to do all that. But you should not give up, because you didn't give up on this note, no matter how squashed and squeezed and he threw it on the floor, but the students still wanted it. Life is like that. Failure will come to you. Mistakes will happen, as no one is perfect. Everyone has failures till they achieve what they have to do in their life. A lady, okay, she was in a train, her marriage failed. She had a baby. She had no money, and she was just sitting on the train to go somewhere. She was writing a book, and she was rejected by 12 publishers. And today, who is she? I'm sure you know the author of Harry Potter. She is very, very famous, right? How did she become famous? Because she never gave up on herself. She worked on herself. She never gave up in spite of being rejected by so many publishers, As Steve Jobs said, do not connect the dots forward. Connect the dot backwards. No one has achieved success without going through a lot of setbacks, a lot of failures and pain in their life. Everyone has that, but what do? They don't give up. That inner voice tells you not to give up. So this was a very simple example. Don't give up. Change. Let me give you some tips. Change your belief systems. Change your thoughts and take action, because it's very important to be in sync with your mind, body and soul. Because if your mind is negative, it's not going to work. If you have to push yourself out of your comfort level, you have to have a healthy body. It's very, very important. Okay? Mind, body and your soul. Very important to self-reflect. Is this what I want to achieve making me happy, or I'm doing it because someone else is doing it? So please follow these tips and share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see my website natashaadvani.com, and you can see my Facebook page and Instagram page. I have lots of inspirational quotes to you. Have a great life. Thank you.